First of all, who's the best three-point shooter so far this year? It's Aaron Gordon at 46%.
Aaron splitting free throws.
Come on. Come on, Willie boy. Ready to eat, boy?
Warriors had a stretch there. Really missed 8 in a row.
Okay. Time for you to eat. Finish this, Willie boy eating.
Driving in, he'll get to the foul line. And that's going to be, if Stevens playing power forward, he can drive around Zach Randolph, he can drive around Camby.
I'm not really good at this yet, but
Finishing is another problem though with those long runs of Camby. He covers pretty well, and he makes the offensive player think about
who wants to see the Willie boy eat?
He pursues to the basket. Does not give up.
Almost.
Committed only 2 fouls in the quarter, so a chance to play more aggressively. It's still thinking, I don't know if the NBA will ever go to it because it's another judgment issue, but
Willie boy eating.
Warriors had 7 turnovers, 5 of probably their own volition.
Willie boy eating.
Ford checking in, and Corey McGinty.
Time to eat. Time to eat.
Gordon cut him off, and Monte simply lost the ball.
No, that's I said, it'd be a judgment play. The one where Jackson stood at the 3-point line.
Now he's drinking water.
Unforced. Because you see turnovers, and he played San Antonio, Boston, these teams are great defensive teams. They'll force a bunch of turnovers just because they're really good. But they'll show if your team is having a rough, casual, or sloppy.
He's licking his bowl. Looking for more food. Yeah, he's ready to go. I don't know where he's going. Where you going, Willie boy? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? He's walking around. Where is he going? Willie, sit. Willie, sit. Sit. Willie, sit.
Well, like they did early in the quarter, they're getting shots.
Willie, sit.
That was at point-blank range, and they still didn't go down.
So the Warriors shoot it at 35%. The Clippers.
Willie, sit. Willie, down. Down. Willie, down. Down. What's this? Willie, down.
Many players calling.
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Willie, roll over. Roll over. Good boy. Down. Down. Roll over. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Shake hands. Hey. Sit. Shake hands. Shake hands. Shake hands. Good boy.
It analyzes every detail of the
Shake hands.
500.
Other hand. Good boy. Other hand. Good boy. Sit. Right down. Down. Willie. Down. Roll over. Roll over. Good boy. I'll get you a treat later, okay? Good boy.
What would you do for a client?